In this video, I'll show you how to add font awesome icons in WPForm fields. For this, you will need Styler for WPForms as well as Field Icons add-on. I have added links for both add-ons in the description. Once you have installed and activated these add-ons, then navigate to the page in which you have added the form. Now open the customizer by clicking on Customize link. Now click on Styler for WPForms option. Here you will get the Field Icons panel. From this panel you will be able to add icons to the fields. There are also settings to customize the icon design. You can change position of the icon and move it horizontally or vertically in the field as well as change its size. Once you have finalized the changes, then click on Publish button to save the changes and make them live.